In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automation on Manychat. Manychat is a powerful tool for managing conversations and automating interactions on platforms like Facebook Messenger and Instagram. However, there are times when you might want to turn off certain automations, whether for troubleshooting, updates, or simply to regain manual control over your messaging strategy. So let's dive in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Manychat. You can do this by entering the URL app.manychat.com into your browser's address bar. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the Manychat login page. Go ahead and click on the sign in button. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials here. Make sure you have the correct email and password, as that ensures a smooth and hassle-free login. Once you're in, you'll be directed to the Manychat home or dashboard. This is the central hub where you can access all your Manychat features and settings. Look towards the navigation menu on your left and you'll see several options. Now find and click on the Home tab. This will serve as your starting point for navigating to the areas of Manychat where the automation settings reside. Next, on the left hand side panel, locate and click on the Automation tab. This brings you to a screen where you can view all your current automated flows and sequences. Here, under the Automation section, you might see a button that says New Automation. This is usually where you'd go if you were setting up a new series of automated messages. However, our goal today is to modify existing automations. Now take a moment to browse through the list of automations you've previously created. Select the specific automation you wish to turn off. By clicking on it, you will be taken into a detailed view of that particular automation. This is where you'll find the tools you need to make adjustments. Once you've selected your desired automation, look for options to disable it. Typically, there are two routes you can take. You can either disable it altogether or remove the associated triggers for that automation. Disabling entirely will stop the automation from running, while removing certain triggers might adjust how and when it is activated. Depending on your goal, choose the option that best fits your needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to turn off automation on Manychat. Whether you're tweaking a single automation or going through a broader restructuring of your strategies, remember that experimenting and adjusting is all part of mastering your communication flows. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful Manychat tips and tricks.